How's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here, and as you saw from the intro, the truck is back. That's right, she is motor swapped. She is 100% good to go, and I'll show you all the engine right now. Just got done detailing the whole truck, so it looks a whole lot better than when it came out of. There she is, guys, brand new 350 long block from GM. The only thing they reused on this truck was my alternator, my AC, my pulley, and the throttle body and the intake. Other than that, it's a brand new freaking motor in this truck. It is a remanufactured block though, but it was honed, it was done everything by GM. They went through the block, so everything else is brand new on the inside. Pistons, rods, crank, valves, everything on this motor is brand new. And let me tell you guys, this truck runs like a scalded dog now. I'm still in, it's not really the break-in phase of the motor, but I am still in the phase where it's the ECM is learning the motor, learning the trans, learning my driving habits. Because even though it's the same motor, they still swapped out and retuned it and everything. Let me tell you guys, the retuning on this truck is fantastic. Where I did notice the extra power, or where my motor was going bad though, I guess, is on cruise control and more on the down low on the RPMs. Like, this thing will lug and go, where the previous motor, after about the past 5 months, kind of didn't want to do that sometimes, and all that fun stuff. But and on cruise control, especially going up the hills, most of the time the truck would downshift then go. This, it just grabs another 300 more RPMs to go up certain hills, and it is absolutely fan-freaking-tastic. This motor is a brand new 0 miles on. I probably got about 120 miles on the motor now, and she's good to go. 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty. So if I'm traveling and I have an issue with the motor, I can stop in at any Chevy dealership and they have to take care of me. Huge shout out to West Chevrolet. Info be down in the description, guys. That's who did my motor swap. They had their lead mechanic, an older gentleman, that's their head mechanic, do my engine swap. He's done these a million times before and loves doing these on these trucks. Shout out to you, man. I forgot your name and I'm very sorry. But you all did a fantastic job. They had this motor swapped out in 2.5 days. That's it. They test drove it. They put about 50 to 60 miles on the truck. And they test drove it, made sure everything was buttoned up, ready to go. And let me tell you guys, it made a world of difference. This engine is just absolutely fantastic. Brand new plugs, spark plugs, wires, everything's basically brand new on this engine. And you can tell this thing runs fan-freaking-tastic. So you're probably wondering what does that lead into with the truck, since I technically motor swapped it, even though it's the same motor pretty much. Honestly, guys, I'm not going to swap it over to a 5.360 or a 383 stroker engine anymore. I've got a 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty on this engine. I'm going to drive it with the motors got in it. Now, later on, like down the road, when I get another truck and I get money and all this money to do it, I'm going big or going home. Like, I'm going to buy a crate motor, and it's either going to be, I'm thinking, a 427 or 454 XLS motor and put in this truck. Like, if you're going to do it now, go big or go home. But right now, guys, I can't be any more pleased. That also being said, a lot of you asked me, put an exhaust on the truck, put an exhaust on the truck. I now will probably put an exhaust on the truck. And a cold air intake probably. What I will go with, I'm not 100% sure yet. But that being said, that's what I'm probably gonna go with. I don't want anything loud, I don't want anything raspy, I don't want anything that makes it sound like a clapped out 5.7 liter. I just want to make a good deep throaty tone to it, basically. But so a little thing that I still have to do, I gotta change out the O2 sensors in it because they're original to the truck. I need to change those out, and I'll do a startup here in just 1 second, guys. But when I start it up, what you're gonna be hearing, the squeaking sound, is from the belt. I tried that belt clean squeaker eliminating. it eliminates it for a little bit, but I think my belt's just worn out and it's an older belt. So, and it's got a bunch of power steering fluid, coolant on it. They dumped a bunch of crap on the belt. And basically, also, I got a brand new power steering pump and water pump. My power steering pump decided it wanted to explode right when I brought it up on the rollback. So that's what's going on with that. But yeah, so I'll do a startup real quick and we'll do a walk around. So like you hear, guys, that's just the belt squeak. The belt squeak cleaner slash squeak eliminator fluid I sprayed on it eliminated it, but not for long. But yeah, brand new motor, guys, and it purrs like a damn kitten. See if you can hear out the back of the exhaust here. Oh yeah, she purrs like a kitten. Now this, what I really like about this engine, what I was wondering about the braking pits, and no, they already come basically pre-broken in. I was like, okay, cool. But what I really like about it is it takes synthetic oil. It takes 530 synthetic, which my old motor, as you know, just took regular engine oil. So that's the cool part about this new motor, guys. But I cannot be any more happier with this. I mean, I'm just elated right now. It cost me a lot of money to get this engine swapped over right the first time. So I gotta regain some money, because, you know, for my front end, but the front end build will be starting back up soon. I might be changing out the grill, kind of maybe going with a different style. Stay tuned on that. But yeah, guys, she's back and she is 100% ready to go, and I cannot be any more thankful. I want to say from the bottom of my heart for each and every single one that somehow contact me, whether that's through Trucks and Water, my personal Instagram, Snapchat, text message, phone call, whatever it is, and said sorry about your truck or what can I do to help. You all are fan-freaking-tastic. I can't thank you all enough for what you all done with the channel, for the support, for everything. And this is to you guys. You know, a lot of people ask why I didn't sell the truck. Why didn't I just put a freaking junkyard 350 in it and sell the truck? Well, honestly, guys, I love this truck way too much to get rid of it. It's been a fantastic truck, knock on truck. It's been a fantastic truck. It's never left me stranded. I've been to Florida twice, Alabama, I can't tell you how many times, Georgia, can't tell you how many times, all over the state of Tennessee, well, except for past Nashville. But this truck has been there, it has got me home through any kind of weather condition, whether it was snow, rain, high winds. I think it even drove through a mini tornado at one point. If you want to hear the story on that, let me know. But guys, this truck is what Trucks and Water is all about. This is what got the channel started. This is what, you know, got me to where I'm at now, and I can't thank you all enough for it. I'll be going over in another video what part 3 of the build on Ashley will be, and then we'll go from there. But thank you all so much for your support, like I said, guys, and enjoy the rest of the vlog. Alright guys, as you saw from the opening of this video, Ashley is back, and right now it is spa day. So we're getting the pressure washer out, my soap cannon, soap. We're gonna clean out the floor mats first. I'm doing an inside clean too, but we'll clean out the floor mats first so those can dry. I mean, these are nasty. These are from the front, especially my driver's side one, they're nasty. So we'll clean those off, get the truck cleaned off, get a fresh coat of wax on it, make it look really good, and we'll go from there. But I'm so happy she's back. The truck is now 100% clean all the way around. Looks so much better. Wheels are cleaned off. Whole truck just looks 10 times better than what it did. Needed one bad. So I'm gonna let it kind of air dry. I'm gonna clean up the interior now. Go ahead ahead air dry, finish up with the wax of it, and then put some wax on the wheels, and then we should be all right, guys. She is fully waxed except for the wheels. So I'm gonna do those after I come back from the video, some video shooting stuff. Anyway, she's fully waxed, fully detailed. She's ready to go. Looks so freaking much better than when she came from West Chevrolet. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to leave and do some photo shoots. Holy crap, guys, I officially really miss this truck. With all the LED headlights, aux beam up top with some Siri LEDs from Amazon, and then my rock lights are from Op7. I mean, the GoPro doesn't do it justice how cool it looks at night. It looks like a freaking UFO because I have blacked out wheels. It looks like a daggum UFO going down the road. God, I love that.